What's up, y'all? Before we get into the video, I just want to announce that we just hit 1,000 subs. I appreciate y'all greatly for the support. You know what I'm saying? It's a big stepping stone, and there's way more to come. You feel me? So, with that being said, I'm running a special discount on my asset store for all my icon packs. You know what I'm saying? Save yourself some bread. You use this code right here on screen. There's a little gift for me to y'all, you feel me? So yeah, I appreciate it. And let's get into the video. What's up, y'all? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Unbroken Studios. And today, I decided to hop on the jersey trend. I've been seeing these a lot on TikTok. I've been seeing some other YouTubers do it, so I thought I might as well hop on. So right now what I'm doing is I'm starting off making my mock-up. So I just got a template and traced over it, and then I add in some of the details back myself. These are my inspirations right here. So I like this little Balenciaga one. This Supreme one is pretty cool. So I'm gonna try and do something reminiscent to that, but I don't want to completely copy it. You feel me? So now I got my mock-up done, and I got my color separations. Now I can start on this like little crest, and I'm taking that one for inspiration. I don't know any soccer teams. I really don't watch soccer, but the jerseys look cool to me. You feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and try and do that. I don't know what team this is, but so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and trace that out. Then I'm gonna show you a trick. You don't have to trace it again. All you gotta do is offset the path negatively about 3-4 times, and then you're gonna get that same exact look that they got. And I'll offset it one more time, and there you go. Then you just select whatever colors. And I like the shield. I think that's the Barcelona logo. If correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I think that's the Barcelona logo. So I like the little shield, so I could try to recreate that. So I had an inspiration for this. So I'm from South Carolina, so I wanted to make, you know what I'm saying, I don't know if we have a soccer team, but if we do, I'm just trying to design a jersey for a South Carolina soccer team. And if y'all don't know what the South Carolina state flag look like, it look like this. So I'm gonna try and use some of the elements from the flag in the crest. So I got this like palmetto picture from Google, and saving myself some time, not tracing it. All I did was image trace it, made it black. Make sure you take away the whites. That's very important when you image tracing. And I just slapped it on the crest. Now I'm choosing the colors for the jersey. I'm gonna choose the same color for the flag for the jersey, along with these gold accents. Then I like this font. I think it's called Montreal. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I like that font for the jersey. So again, inspiration is South Carolina, so I put South on it. And I added these like triangle looking shapes. And I'm trying to make sure they fit properly. So you can see now the jersey's coming together already. You know what I'm saying? I don't know any soccer leagues. Like I said, I don't really watch soccer. So I just put USA, like it's a United States Soccer League, like all the states. And of course you can't have USA without the stars, you feel me? So I go and blend those in between the two stars, and I take the curvature tool and I make like a, you know what I'm saying, like a soft curve. Then I go and offset where it's south, so that's like a nice little border around it. Then I switch around the stars just a little bit. Then I add the word South Carolina. I don't know. This is how I do spacing. I'm not sure if there's a better way to do this, but I just draw like a rectangle just to make sure everything is lined up, all cohesive. Now it's looking good, but it's looking like right about here. I feel like it's doing too much. It's like kind of cramped in the middle area, and I don't like that third stripe going down the middle. So we're gonna change it. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Then we're gonna start working on the back. Then we're just gonna add some random number. I just chose 29 out of nowhere. Use the same font, make it big, elongated, and then add that offset. I didn't want the jersey's design to be too complex, so I went with something pretty simple. Then I added these like halftone dots going up. I spaced everything out a little more, and then I added Carolina on the bottom, but I made it blue. And I added my logo patch on the sleeve. I ain't gonna lie, it came together. It looked pretty good to me. So really, I did not have a sketch for this. I just went in blind. I added this little tag on the back. But yeah, I just tried to make something cool. I really had a design in mind. I just freestyled it, to be honest. And that's not a good practice to do, just letting you know now. You usually want to sketch your stuff out. Alright, so on the design too. So this one I want to make like a more like unique crest, I guess. So I start with this like swoosh shape and the soccer ball. I guess the word not unique is more of like my own, you know what I'm saying? So I chose these colors and I chose this looking crest and I made an outline. Looks pretty good. Then I added these like swoop shapes on the side, which is going to be different paneling. So I'm gonna kind of adjust that right quick. I'm gonna make a duplicate and I'm gonna make all that black. I'm gonna invert the crest so it's white so you can see it on the black shirt. Now I want to add this like pattern to it. I want it to be simple but still like busy, if that makes any sense. Then I chose a different font and I added this triangle shape to the bottom, and then I went to warp and I flagged. So now it has like this raised kind of wavy shape. I did the same thing for the back and I added the numbers. And then added my logo to the sleeve, and I inverted the whole design just for the second design. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. This was a pretty easy project. It didn't take me too long. These are the final products. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Something a little different from my usual like Hellstar design videos. I'm trying to get, you know what I'm saying, not saying I'm not doing those no more, but I'm trying to move away from that a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Expand my creativity a little more. I don't know. We'll see how this video do. Let me know how y'all think about this in the comments. And we out. Peace.